In 60 seconds, someone has to die. Will it be the traitor you exposed?
I believe it is customary to pay for information. So you are going to threaten me now?
The agent you betrayed?
Step away from him. After you have what you need, you will kill me.
The woman you loved?
Do you need to leave right now? Considering I might not see you again.
Can't let you walk away from this.
Time's up. Who's it going to be? Alpha Protocol, the espionage RPG.